On November 5, 2022, an F4 tornado touched down in Idabel, Oklahoma. The storm covered over 50 miles and damaged hundreds of homes in the process. Allie's home was one of them. High winds caused significant roof damage. Flying debris damaged the home's exterior, gutters and garage. Multiple windows and doors were broken. And heavy rain caused roof leaks and water damage. Triple Diamond Construction completed all repairs, fully restoring Allie's home. We understand the stress and financial challenges that come with storm damage repairs. That's why we go the extra mile to bring you relief, guidance, and total home protection. We're your allies when disaster strikes.